Before startup, so inspection walk around is complete. Before startup, pre-flight inspection complete. Fuel selection is both. Circuit breakers are all in. Very good. Mixture is rich. Carburetor heat is off. Master is on. Primer as required. It's a bit cold. I'll put a couple of primes in and block. Throttle control. Beacon light is on. Clear. Oil pressure is green. Alternator on. Avionics. I'll put strobe, beacon light. Flaps down. Test standby. Got a mixture, carburetor heat, master, primer, all correct, transponder, flaps. Saudi, good morning, Echo Charlie, Foxtrot Golf India.
Echo Charlie, Fox Golf India, Saudi Tower, good morning.
Hey, Echo Charlie, Fox Golf India at Romeo 2, requesting taxi for touch and go.
Echo Charlie, Fox Golf India, taxi holding point, runway 31, wind 240 degrees 4 knots, QNH 1014, squawk 7031.
Squawk 7031, QNH 1014, and taxi to holding point runway 31, Echo Charlie, Fox Golf India.
Feedback correct.
Going right in for
7031.
Continue proceeding traffic on the runway.
1014. Com 1.
Go.
Good. Clear right, clear left. Let's go. Okay, so we'll check decreases and decreases. All good. So guys, how is everything? It's Oscar from Virtual Fly. Now today in a Cessna 172N, is a analog, quite old Cessna 172. Now taxiing to runway 31, holding point of runway 31. What I'm going to be doing is, as it's quite clear around the airport, but very stormy outside of it, we'll do some touch and goes, and we'll compare that to the simulator, as we always do. In this case, we're going to compare it to a flight deck, our new flight deck, which is being certified by the FAA. And yeah, what we'll do is some touch and goes here with this weather, and then we'll put a little bit of worse weather at the simulator itself. So, been doing my checks. Now we're arriving at holding point of runway 31, which is Tango 6. We have a traffic on final. Parking brake is set.
Torre, buenos días, Echo Charlie, Kilo Romeo Bravo.
And Saudi, Echo Charlie, Foxtrot Golf India, holding short runway 31, ready for departure.
Echo Charlie, Fox Golf India, roger, hold position.
Hold position, Echo Charlie, Fox Golf India.
Echo Charlie, Kilo Romeo Bravo, efectúe rodaje aéreo a Bravo y espere fuera de pista.
Me dirijo a Bravo esperando afuera de pista, Echo Charlie, Kilo Romeo Bravo.
Echo Charlie, Fox Golf India, line up and wait, runway 31.
Line up and wait, runway 31, Echo Charlie, Fox Golf India.
Echo Charlie Foxtrot Golf India, wind 200 degrees, 3 knots, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 31, Echo Charlie Foxtrot India.
Echo Charlie India, Hotel Uniform en base derecha de la 31.
Echo Hotel Uniform, recibido al 01, tráfico en carrera y salida de helicóptero.
Pues continuamos como número 1.
All is correct.
Charlie Kilo Romeo Bravo, entre y mantenga pista 31 vía Bravo.
Entrando y alineando vía Bravo, Echo Charlie Kilo Romeo Bravo.
.500, standing light off, ups up, use this to 25.
Charlie Kilo Romeo Bravo, viento 200, 3 nudos, pista 31, autorizado a despegar vía Bravo.
Autorizado a despegar pista 31, Echo Charlie Kilo Romeo Bravo.
Sabadell, My Papa, le damos ya toma asegurada. Recibido, hasta luego. Hasta luego, gracias.
So we're now at crosswind level, going up to 2,000 feet, which is the altitude safety of the circuit here, the traffic circuit. We have some clouds coming up, and it's actually starting to rain. But well, we have all parameters correct. It's actually a beautiful sight to see all the clouds and everything. So we'll be adjusting to that aircraft down there. That's 2,000 there. Not go up more. Push the throttle back to 2,300, more or less. We'll leave the mixture. And yeah, let's see how the same traffic holding and the same procedures, let's see how that goes on the simulation.
3-1 para toma final.
Echo Charlie Delta Mike Charlie, viento 210, 2 nudos, pista 31, autorizado a aterrizar.
Pista 3-1, autorizado a aterrizar, Echo Charlie Delta Mike Charlie.
Echo Charlie Kilo Romeo Bravo, escuche Barcelona en 127,7. Buen vuelo.
Pasamos a Barcelona 127,7, Echo Charlie Kilo Romeo Bravo.